Lesson 3 in your science book, Animals, and we study about birds there. There are different types of birds around us. Birds are of various colors and sizes. Sparrows, miners, parrots, pigeons and quails are some of the birds that we commonly see in cities. Eagles, kites, vultures and crows can also be seen sometimes. Now when we talk about the body parts of a bird, birds have wings and most birds can fly. All birds have 2 feet and a beak. Birds do not have teeth. A bird's body and wings are covered with different types of feathers. Beaks of birds. Beaks are used to catch and eat food. A bird also uses it to feed its young ones, or build nests, or clean itself. The type of beak that a bird has depends on the kind of food it eats. Now let's look at the different kinds of beaks. Strong, short and hard beaks. Birds such as sparrows and pigeons have strong, short and hard beaks to crush and eat nuts and seeds. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Birds such as vultures, eagles and hawks have strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear and eat flesh. Strong, pointed and chisel-shaped beaks. Birds such as woodpeckers and hoopoes have strong, pointed and chisel-shaped beaks. Next, a broad and flat beak. For water birds, we say, like ducks and geese, have broad and flat beaks. These birds take in muddy water along with insects, worms, small fish and other small water plants. Then they drain out the muddy water and retain the food in their mouth. Broad, long and sharp-edged beak. Fish-eating birds such as pelicans catch fish, frogs and crabs with their broad, long and sharp-edged beaks. Now long and pointed beak. Hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flowers. We'll study about the different kind of feet that birds have. Feet of birds. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each, ending in a claw. They catch and hold their food with their feet and claws. Claws also help birds to climb, walk and sit on branches of trees. Now, perching birds, such as crows and parrots, have feet with 3 toes pointing forward and 1 backward. This enables them to perch on the branches of trees easily. Water birds, such as pelicans and ducks, now they have different type of feet. Their front toes are joined by a layer of skin. Such type of feet are called webbed feet. These birds swim forward by pushing the water with their webbed feet. Climbing birds, such as woodpeckers, can climb tree trunks with their toes that have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. Scratching birds, such as hens, they have sharp and strong claws to dig the ground for food such as seeds and worms. Now wading birds. Herons and cranes can walk through shallow water with their long legs and widely spread out toes. This is called wading. Flesh-eating birds such as eagles and owls have very sharp claws called talons to pick up small animals such as rats and mice. Now feathers. There are 3 different kinds of feathers that birds have. All birds have their bodies covered with feathers. This makes them different from the rest of the animals. Feathers of birds are of the following kinds. Down feathers. These are fluffy feathers located close to the bird's skin. They are very soft and short. Body feathers. These feathers are present over the down feathers. They cover the whole body and give shape to the bird's body. Flight feathers. These feathers are mostly present on the wings and the tail of the bird. They help the bird to fly and change direction. Now when birds fly, there are 2 movements. One is the upstroke and one is the downstroke. Upstroke is the upward movement of wings and downstroke is the downward movement of wings. A bird uses its tail to change the direction of the flight. Okay, now we also have some flightless or running birds. Because they cannot fly, ostriches and emus are examples of flightless birds. Let's look at the food habits of birds. Birds eat different types of food. They eat insects, seeds, nuts, grains and fruits. Now birds such as eagles and vultures eat the flesh of other animals. Hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers with the help of their long beak. Penguins, pelicans and kingfishers eat fish. Birds do not have teeth that we said in the beginning. They use their beaks to break and crush food into small pieces. Now, very interesting, the different kinds of nests that birds build. Birds build nests using leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton and thread. They take care to build their nests in places safe from danger and safe from bad weather. Now, we can see birds' nests on trees, on the terraces of buildings, and sometimes even on ceiling fans. Birds lay eggs in their nests. Now, different types of birds make different nests. A tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. A weaver bird uses its beak to weave pieces of leaves, grass or twigs to build a nest. A woodpecker uses its beak to peck into tree trunks and make a hole for a nest. Penguins, now they live in very cold places. They can't find twigs and grass and all. So you know what they do? They collect stones and pebbles and make their nests on the ground. Sparrows, bulbuls and hummingbirds make cup-shaped nests. These are the simpler ones, and the cup shape keeps the eggs and the babies safe. Now, the next thing we are going to do is about caring for birds. Birds need to be looked after by us because they are also very beautiful living creatures. What can we do for birds? We can make bird baths. What are bird baths? They are small, shallow containers containing water. Birds drink water, bathe and cool themselves in these bird baths. Now, along with bird baths, we should also place trays containing seeds to feed hungry birds. Such trays are called bird feeders. Children, when we are looking at animals, we always say that we need to look after them. You should take care of your pets in the following ways. Feed your pet regularly. You should clean and bathe your pet. Keep their home clean. Do not be cruel to animals. Never hit them. Take them to a vet if they are sick. Now, the next time you go for a nature walk, I'm sure you'll be able to spot some beautiful birds. Take the time to look at them and enjoy them. Okay, bye.